Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and easy step on how to activate your BJ's MasterCard online. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Get started by opening up a web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.bjscard.org/card activation and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this card activation page. It'll literally tell you what to do in order to log in and activate your card. First, you'll need to go and visit the official webpage of BJ by simply typing in bjscard.org and then click on this BJ's Card login button. You first need to log into your BJ's credit card account in order to activate it online. Scroll down on the next page and click on official login and it'll take you to the manage your account page. From there, go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top. And in the login area on the right hand corner, go ahead and type in your username followed by your password and click on the sign in button to log into your account. If you don't remember your username or password, get help by clicking on forgot username/password and follow the prompts till the end. After clicking sign in, you should be able to log into your BJ's credit card. From there, click on the activate button and follow through the activation process till the end. That is how you can easily activate BJ's MasterCard online. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.